Some common problems people have is the drain system in their home just doesn't appear to be working properly. How does someone know if their drain system is working or not? Well, an indicator would be that you consistently have problems with your toilet backing up, and tub could be backing up, and it's usually an obstruction in the line, and that could be fixed fairly simply with an auger, which would be a cable that you'd run through and you'd clear the blockage that's causing the line not to drain properly. However, what may not be clear is a belly in the line. That's where there's sagging over time and the pipe is no longer running downhill or on a gravity feed. It has a lull, if you will. That's why they call it a belly in the line. It's got a dip in the line, and water tends to accumulate there. Therefore, other solids and debris will accumulate in that belly, and prematurely the line will get clogged. So yes, you can still fix it with the cable. Better even to hydrojet it, if you will, because hydrojet clears and scours the whole circumference of the pipe, whereas the cable just pokes a hole typically through the area of concern, allows the water to flow, but it really hasn't cleared the line as well as it could. A blade on the end of the cable will help to remove some more of the obstruction, and if there's roots in the line, double cable would be even better, but hydrojetting is far more significant and a better way to go. But ultimately, once the line's been cleared, you can do a video camera inspection, and a good video camera inspection will identify those bellies in the line. There could be a breach also where there's an offset in the pipe that allows roots to come in. So roots will be a big indicator of there being a problem or a breach in the line. And again, it could be an offset or a completely disconnected line, or the line's broken or it's been rotted through, where you're hitting with the cable, you're hitting ground earth or rocks, and you can see your cable shiny when you pull it back up, or roots on the end of the cable. But those are indications of the line is deteriorated, needs to be replaced. But to do a good video camera inspection, you must clear the line first. But that's what you can find out with a video camera inspection. And if it's done right, someone can interpret the data. And if there's a counter on their camera, which will tell you where or how far out the problem is, and then line locating coupled with line location, the line locator will tell you where the pipe goes, what direction it's in. Then you can pinpoint the problem and get to it. We'll cover trenching in different ways to address problems with drainage. Some are more expensive than others, but the main thing is to figure out why do you continue to have problems. Camera inspection is going to be your way to go after you clear the line. Remember to subscribe and push that like button.